What animal do you think of when people speak of poultry? A fat chicken? The meaning of many words have changed in time, and poultry is one of them. Well, welcome. We are in an ostrich farm near Tehran. Ostriches are the biggest birds in the world and the fastest two-legged animal. It can run as fast as 70 kilometers per hour for 30 minutes. The males are real protective of their families this season. Ostriches usually weigh from 63 to 103 kilograms, with exceptional male ostriches weighing up to 155 kilograms. The feathers of adult males are mostly black with white primaries and a white tail. Females and young males are grayish-brown and white. Their eyes are said to be the largest of any land vertebrate. Even though it's only 2 inches across, but it weighs more than its brain. The bird has just 2 toes on each foot. Most birds have 4, with the nail on the larger inner toe resembling a hoof, but it's sharp. The outer toe has no nail. They love shiny objects. They just want to eat it. The wings reach a span of about 2 meters and are used in mating displays and to shade chicks. Today, ostriches prefer open land and are native to the savannas and Sahel of Africa, both north and south of equatorial forest zone. In southwest Africa, they inhabit the semi-desert or true desert. Ostriches are one of the most beneficial animals. Each and every part of this animal is used. Their meat, leather, and many other products.
A huge male ostrich approached me, and I ran away toward the door, but the bird caught up with me, and I became ready for the worst. But suddenly another smaller male ostrich attacked the big one and fought with the big bird and saved me from bad injury. It was interesting because I had looked after and nursed the smaller bird about a couple of the days ago, and the smaller bird was returning the favor.
Mr. غزایی today is one of the most successful ostrich farmers in Iran, an accomplished businessman and a pioneer in this field. But like every pioneer, he was not taken seriously at first and proved himself the hard way by taking risks and realizing his dreams.
ببینید من اصلا ذاتاً دنبال خیری مادی آدم مادی نیستم. دوست دارم که حرکت و کار بکنم. سرمایه‌ای که ما اینجا هزینه کردیم میتونستیم خیلی راحت‌تر تو جای دیگه هزینه بکنیم و خیلی راحت‌تر پول در بیاریم. اما هدف ما چیزی دیگه است. یه هدف واقعا برای شخص خدا یه هدف مقدسی هستش که بتونم این صنعت رو تو این مملکت احیا بکنم.
We were invited to Mr. Rezai's home to an ostrich dinner. Being an entrepreneur does not have set times, and he brings a lot of his work home and kind of lives with what he does. This is not an eggshell that you can easily break. You have to saw this. You can feed a whole family with this, I promise. Ostriches lay the largest legs of any living bird and can feed up to 15 people, and it tastes exactly like eggs we buy every day. The غزایی family says that they only use ostrich meat, and they have not been able to change to any other kind of meat after trying it for the first time. It tastes a lot like beef, but a lot more tender and with less cholesterol than chicken. Now your definition for the word poultry has been updated to its new 2011 version.